What do you think? These two mask ring I got in Mexico. This is the bone that they sculpture the face on it, and then we have the crown with silver. I love this one, and a little gem on the crown. Look at this one. No, really. Wow. Which face is your favorite? I love both. Look at this. It's a bit big for me, but look at this. Look at this. Wow. Look into detail. The face engraved. And then we have this gem on the crown. And then, yeah, that's it. And then we have this one, queen. Okay, king and queen. Which one is your #1 choice? Comment below. I love them.